who was there as your biggest supporter to help you get this business going and to be like your moral support on the sideline, almost maybe even your cheerleader?
Well, of course, I had some angels. I had a girlfriend that was very supportive. Another challenge that directed me to have partners and friends in business was also I didn't have enough money to launch 3 products, which was the goal. The minimum quantities required would be 500, and I had to go back and meet the owner of the lab and say, hey, you know what? Here's my goal. Here's what I'm planning. But right at this moment, I just have money to do 300 of each.
Correct.
And she did open an exception. And I truly believe business is all about relationships.
Agreed, 100%.
This is what this is about it. We became super close partners in business. And now when we go order products, we order 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 of each, which she never let me do the 300.
She didn't take a chance on you. She didn't take a risk on you.
Exactly.